Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Andreea and I am a mom of a cat, and that's it. He's kind of grumpy, so I'm gonna leave him down, but not before. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I call perfect mom look. I believe that in our days, and not only, moms are really heroes. Like, they do it all. I don't know how you can do it. I'm not a mom myself. I hope one day I will be. I just have a lot of friends that have kids, and I've always admired my mom, how she could do it all. Even though you are a mom, that doesn't mean you have to be less careful with yourself and use less makeup. It's just that you have to make the right, faster decisions for yourself and to use products that really work because you don't have time. I think in my head, when I think about mom makeup look or busy mom makeup look, that's what I think, like the right products, not necessarily, oh, I'm a mom, I'm only going to use lip balm and I'm out the door. No. So this video is all about easy products that will make your makeup routine be faster and easier. And although it's a pretty long video, is because I've explained every single step that I make. And I've also made sure to include at the end of this makeup a little guide in what kind of tops I would use with this kind of makeup. What I think it takes the most out of our time is decide, okay, if I'm gonna wear this, what kind of makeup would I wear if I wear this? Like, so that's why I made sure to include a few tops. I'm really just trying to help you use the makeup, apply the makeup, because it's really gonna change your mood. You have to make time, those 10 minutes. I promise you, if you apply a little bit of makeup, it's just gonna make you feel better. Enough talking. Before we get into the video, you know the drill. Subscribe, click on the ring bell button. Motanescu, shut up, please. Now, if you want to see how to create the busy mom makeup, then please keep on watching. We want to make sure that you look pretty all day long. I'm going to start by using this Hollywood Flawless filter. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. I love the applicator. What I love about this product is that it gives instant glow to the skin. If you want to be super glowy, you're going to apply this all over your face. I wouldn't recommend this though if you have very oily skin. But if you need that glow all over the face and if you have dry skin, then go for it. When you apply this kind of product before you apply foundation or any complexion product, it just shines through and makes the skin, basically the brighter you look, it just gives the illusion that the skin is tighter. You see here's the glow that I'm talking about, but you see it did not cover anything, so it's not a foundation. Now moving on to the next product, the new Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. It's a very lightweight, it has a little bit of a color, not even close to what a foundation would be like. The kind of product that literally you could apply it as your day cream. I'm using the color 2W1 Natural. You can literally just apply it as your moisturizer. Like, that's what I love about this. It's fast. Concealer will make a huge difference in the way your whole face looks, especially if you have dark circles. So I'm using NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Around the nose, around the mouth. Then take a brush, spread everything. Sigma F03 brush. Make sure that it's not too much product, you know? One of the biggest struggles that women complain about, at least when I talk to some of you guys, is that you don't know how to pick your colors depending on what you wear. My advice is for you to have less makeup, but something that you know and suits your skin tone. And if you really want to change something in your makeup, like every day, the easiest thing to change is your lipstick. And for example, I know what I'm gonna use. Like, I always wear a shirt or a white t-shirt or something neutral. And then let me show you what I wear on the wrist. I've got a dark red pair of pants, and here's what I'm gonna have on top. And then I'm gonna have this coat on. Since I already know what I'm wearing, I have an idea about the colors that I want to use. But if you have no clue what you're gonna wear, if you do your makeup before you get dressed, which I actually suggest you to, use the colors that are working with your skin tone. Like if you have more of a warmer skin tone, then go towards the warmer eyeshadows, warmer lipsticks, and so on and so forth. It's not a rule, but that will always work. A very easy trick for me is to apply my lipstick on my cheeks as well. Again, another decision that you have to make in the morning, thinking about, okay, what am I gonna wear? If I wear this lipstick, then what blush am I gonna wear? Is this working with this? Easy peasy. I know that I'm gonna use this one. I love this color. This works for my skin tone so well. It's in Raw Sienna from Charlotte Tilbury. And I just apply it on the apple of my cheek, just like that. And spread it. Apply a tiny little bit on the nose, like just quick swipe. It's gonna make everything look good together. And I know this is an old trick, but it is working. I'll apply a little bit more. Always make sure that your concealer or foundation brush is close by, because in case, you see that it's not well blended and you're not very good with applying products with your fingers, then you could always take your concealer brush or foundation brush and just come on top of it. It's gonna look that you're actually blushing from within. It's not gonna look like you're wearing product. The next thing that you want to use is powder. Without powder, you're not gonna have a makeup that lasts. And By Terry recently launched their hyaluronic tinted hydra powder. Their hyaluronic acid, the original version, it's white. I mean, it looks white, but it has no color when you apply it on your skin. However, it is a little intimidating for people to use that. Now, since they came out with this version, I can tell you it's the only powder that I had with me during the fashion week because it's subtle on the skin. It's undetectable. So I'll take my usual Hakuhodo brush. I'm using, by the way, the color, because this comes in multiple colors. So this is in 100 Fair. My concealer creased a tiny bit, so I'm gonna make sure it's nice and spread. Then I come with the powder right under the eyes. What's great about this powder is that it doesn't completely take away the shine from your skin. So if you have oily skin and you want a matte skin, this might not be the best option for you. I always make sure I use some powder around my mouth, tiny bit on the forehead. Eyebrows are just so important. The only line on the face that gives you expression. You have to apply a little something if you are not blessed with, full brows. And the easiest product to apply on the go is a tinted brow gel. There are so many on the market. I really like this one from Diego de la Palma. This is a number 2. It has a tiny brush. So that means that every single one of those hairs is going to be coated with product. This is a product that you can use if you already have some eyebrow material. And this not only that tames my eyebrows because it keeps them in place being a gel, but also colors them. What I usually recommend when it comes to eye makeup for a quick and easy makeup look is a cream eyeshadow. However, I find that for some people it's difficult to blend. The next thing that I recommend is a small palette that does not have 20 colors. You're gonna be overwhelmed. So if you're on the go, this type of palette, something that is more on your skin tone. Now, I love this new one. This is the Dior Backstage, the custom eye palette. I'll take the primer right now, just so you can see how fast it is. Apply that primer all over the eyelid. It is actually a great primer. I'll take a 221 brush from MAC, and I'm going to take this color right here. Oh, that's actually very, very pigmented. There is nothing wrong in applying one single eyeshadow color all over your eyelid. Don't feel like you need to mix 6 colors in order to have a pretty makeup look. Same eyeshadow, same brush on the lower lash line, but only at the end of the eye. Like, don't go too much towards the inner corner. Same brush. I'll take the darkest, well, it's not the darkest actually. I'll take this dark brown in the middle just to warm up my makeup. And I'll apply like right at the end of my eye and a little bit in the crease. Now, another thing that really makes a difference in the way your eyes look is the eyelash curler. And I'm going to use this one from Dior. Then I'm going to take this Better Than Sex from Too Faced, and this is their limited edition Tutti Frutti collection. It's the same mascara, just in a different packaging. Now, if your lashes are naturally very straight, what I find that works the best, keeping them curled, is actually a waterproof mascara. So if you like the Better Than Sex, check out their waterproof version. I cannot apply mascara like this. I see a lot of women do this and then do this. I have to always apply mascara like this. This really looks like I've got false lashes. I would say this is universally beautifying kind of a makeup when it comes to eye makeup. It's really no rocket science. The only thing that I suggest you that could make your life easier is to have like more of a sophisticated palette for nighttime and more of a simple palette like this, or something similar for daytime, for like every day, so you don't have to spend time thinking and having to decide what to apply, what to wear. We're gonna move on to lips. And I'll use, like I said, the lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the color Raw Sienna. I apply it straight from the bullet, but then I do like to spread it with my finger. And you know what? I feel like my skin could take a little bit more blush. I know that a lot of people just don't use lip liners. You do you, but I feel completely naked without some kind of definition to my lips. And I usually like to apply a lip liner that is slightly darker than my lipstick. This is a strip down from MAC, a classic, but I use it with so many lipsticks. Now, every time I use a lipstick and then I know I'm gonna leave, I make sure I take it, I put it in my bag. I will have it with me in case I need to reapply it. Now, here's the final look. Like I said, I know that the most difficult thing for us women is to choose what we're gonna wear. Makeup, hair, clothes. Let's see if this makeup is going to look good with different colors. So let me bring some different color tops so you see what would I pair this kind of look with. Sporty mom, let's say you're wearing a t-shirt and a denim jacket would look good with neutrals, of course. This is more of an orange, more colorful sweater. This is one of my favorite sweaters, by the way. A more brighter look, but still works. It doesn't make my face look washed off, even if it's a stronger color. Black sweater. Everything goes with black, of course, but when it comes to people who are fair or light skin tone, sometimes when you wear black, it kind of almost forces you to apply a little bit more lipstick, or that's at least that's just my opinion. Now my hair looks like crazy, but I would apply, for example, if I would wear black right now, I would apply just a tiny little bit of lip gloss, like right in the middle of my lip. It will bring more luminosity to the whole face actually. More of a neutral sweater. Now the only thing that I would change with this, and I feel the need of applying, is bronzer. Yeah, you see now it works better with this. Thank you for staying with me this whole video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the ring bell button. Let me know in the comments what other videos would you like to see. I mean, this whole channel is content for you. So let me know what you would like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.